Hey guys, it's Terry coming to you from Model Car Body Shop. It's been a long time, uh, but I haven't forgot about y'all. And I do appreciate everybody that's stuck with me through my absence. It's been a few months. Just been very busy, had to get a few things taken care of and focus strictly on those things at that time. But so I saw uh, Joe from Big Sky Model Workshop put a video, post a video about a uh, group build. And last year I was in that group build, the under 1,000 group build. I was in that group build when Mike over Mike's Miniature Motors hosted that group build, and so I built this 84 and a half anniversary edition. Sorry, 84, not 84 and a half anniversary edition. I'm thinking of the SVOs and the 85 and a half. Anyway, so that was one of my first group builds, if not the first group build that I entered. It turned out pretty well, and you can go back and look at some of the videos about it. It was a bit of a challenge, but enough about that one. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to build this 63 Galaxy for the upcoming under 1,000 group build. Starts September 1st, 2025. So I did open the box, but haven't actually opened the plastic. As any that you can all see. So looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to getting back on track and doing some group builds, doing some modeling. Last time I left you guys, I was working on the 55 Chevy. It's come a long way, but it's still not done. But I had to spend some time doing some other things. But what I want to talk about with this particular kit, this Ragoon Red on this 63, is what I'm going to paint at. And I'm going to use this aerosol to do it. This is actual car paint that is mixed to spray to paint cars and then put into an aerosol can. So this will be my first time doing it. This is a water-based, it's pre-mixed, it's all you shake it up and spray it. So it may go stupid or not, because usually I'll mix the auto paint and I'll spray it through my airbrush. But this was suggested to me at work, and the guy said, "Here, I'll make it for you. Put it in a can. You try it. Let me know." So I'm going to do some videos of me painting this. I'm going to prime it, do the body work, prime it, everything, and then I'm going to spray it with this, and then automotive clear coat as well. But this, I'm sure, can be bought at paint stores if anybody wants to go through the trouble of it in order to get the exact match of a particular color you want. I don't know the cost, because this was something that was gifted to me to try. But anyway, this is a SEM brand. I'm sure there's other brands, but we use a PPG. So it's PPG in the container. So I will do videos to step by step on the paint process of this, because I'm interested, and I hope you are too. to see how that turns out. Because if it's pretty cost effective and works out well, then I'll probably be doing a lot of it. So I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. As always, I try to keep them short. But I am excited about getting into this group build. I do want to thank Joe for hosting it. Joe's always been there to go a little above and beyond, and we do appreciate that, Joe. So I don't know if there's anything else I need to do or say, but I will be posting videos along the way with this build when it starts, and especially with the paint process of it. So do want to tell everybody how much I appreciate you sticking with me, even though I haven't been making videos. I did not lose a single subscriber, and that is it's pretty unheard of when you're not making videos. So I do appreciate everybody's patience, and look forward to getting back in the groove and getting more videos out there for you guys. So y'all have a safe one, and I'll be seeing you soon. Thanks, guys.